Hi there, this video lecture is for learning activity number 7. This will be an extremely important learning activity and is probably the longest learning activity of the semester. So this learning activity is a two-part activity. Okay, first, I want you to summarize the instructions for your final essay in English 101. Okay, this is for your benefit, and it'll be useful if you carefully describe in your own words what you have to accomplish for this essay. So again, first, summarize the instructions for English 101 final essay. You can find the final essay instructions both in English 101 and in this folder for TRS. Second, I want you to brainstorm topics for your next English 101 essay, the final essay. Make sure you watch that video lecture on brainstorming to help you with this important exercise. The assignment asks that you choose a problem for which you can offer a solution. And I repeatedly state that the topics must be very specific. The strongest essays are usually on topics that relate directly to your own life and experiences. Okay? So I want you then to do metacognitive activity, examining your own life and routines as we search for topics. So this brainstorming activity could be done on notebook paper, or you could do it on a Microsoft Word file. Okay? So a couple ideas, things that you can brainstorm. Again, this is not just the only list you need to choose from. You can come up with your own ideas as long as the topic is specific. Any general topics for your final paper will lose points. Okay? Specific, specific, specific. So if you have or ever had a job, list any problems you encounter at the job. What bothers you as an employee? What kinds of problems or inefficiencies does your workplace struggle with? What do customers, clients, or patients complain about? Or what makes their experiences less than ideal? Think about your own neighborhood and other places that you frequent. List problems you encounter or observe there. This list is a way to generate ideas. So problems in your community, such as abandoned buildings, food deserts, lack of youth programs, lack of recreation opportunities, poor roads and or poor bridges, pollution or litter in your waterways, beaches, or parks. These are very specific problems in your specific community. In fact, I really like this one because it helps you focus on your community. And since you are community college students, let's bring the community into the community college element. Lastly, you can think about any hobbies, activities, or commitments that you or your kids have and any problems you see there. Okay? If you have a child in a youth sports program, what can be done to make that experience better? Again, this is just an example list of things that you can write about. But again, I want you to be specific in your brainstorm and in your final paper. If it's not specific, you will lose points for both. So again, I want you to be clear that the more specific your paper is, the better your essay will be. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help.